Hi guys, today we're in Portugal, we're in Lisbon and we're in Restelo. We have a fantastic house to see and today I'm going to show you. Come and check it out. So here we are. This spectacular house was designed in 1941 by architect Antonio Lino. It has 3 floors plus a ground place where you can park around 5 to 6 cars. You have 626 square meters of these beautiful gardens, this gorgeous pool, plus you have 833 square meters of construction area. Let's go inside and check it out. So here we have the entrance hall. Come and see the living area here. Super spacious living area. Have this nice detailed marble with a fireplace. Wow, look at this dining area, fantastic. Imagine all the dinners that we could do out here, and we have a gorgeous reception area outside where you can first do a cocktail before you serve the dinner. Here we have this gorgeous reception area. It's facing east, so it would be great to make also some breakfasts out here, you know, with this morning sunlight coming across. Let's come again to the kitchen. Just coming from the reception area, this is gorgeous. It has all the appliances we need. They're all meal. There's an ice maker, there's wines, and you know, I love cooking, so I would spend a lot of my time right here. Come and see our first bedroom that we have here. Everything, again, all the floors are heated. We have this great Italian furniture inside, but the most spectacular feature for me are the marbles. Every bathroom has its own specific marble. Let's check now the master suite, which is fantastic. Come and check it out. Come and see this walk-in wardrobe. It's amazing. Again, everything Italian, you know, great wardrobe. Come and check out the bathroom. You've got your own television, waterproof, beautiful marbles, really spacious bathroom. Every little detail is thought of. It's gorgeous. I just want to come and live here. We've got a laundry area. We've got a place to keep all our wines. And then we arrive to this living area, you know, that gives us access to the pool. Our kids can come over, have their friends, play pool, play ping pong, and at the same time we have access right here to the swimming pool. Very spacious garage. You can fit between at least 4 to 5 cars. There's electric plugs ready for our electrical vehicles. Come and see the rest. We're coming to the end of the tour of this gorgeous, beautiful house in Restelo. This is a one-of-a-kind asset, for sure capital appreciation in the years to come. Yeah, houses like this come to the market just once in a very rare occasion. Good luck. If you need any help, let me know.